Steady migration from the rural areas to metros and bigger cities has led to an unplanned urbanization, causing a severe strain on the urban infrastructure. Though urbanization is inevitable, the choice is to undertake planned urbanization or leave cities to swell in natural progression to meet the increasing demand for urban areas, facilitate economic growth, and increase the share of manufacturing in India's GDP, and to generate more employment opportunities. The creation of new cities with world-class infrastructure is the need of the hour. Addressing these issues, a massive project is already underway, which is now the cradle for development of a new India. An India that is smart, that is connected, an India that is becoming a model to the world. This was made possible with the vision of India's one of the largest infrastructure program, the National Industrial Corridor Development Program. The aim of this program is to develop greenfield industrial smart cities in India which can compete with the best manufacturing and investment destinations in the world. The cities are being developed using state-of-the-art world-class infrastructure which is future-proofed by adopting best-in-class next-generation technologies. The program is aimed at providing impetus to planned urbanization in India with manufacturing as the key economic driver.
बीते सालों में 4 इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर शुरू हो चुके हैं और अब ऐसे कॉरिडोर्स की संख्या को 1 दर्जन तक बढ़ाया जा रहा है। अब देश की इंडस्ट्री को ऐसी सुविधाएं देने का प्रयास है जो प्लग एंड प्ले इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से युक्त हो, यानी देश और दुनिया के निवेशकों को सिर्फ अपना सिस्टम लगाना है और काम शुरू करना है। ऐसी ही सुविधाओं के निर्माण से भारत दुनिया की बिजनेस कैपिटल बनने का सपना साकार कर सकता है।
These cities are planned by leveraging the existing and planned infrastructure in the form of Western and Eastern dedicated freight corridors, expressways, national highways, and other transportation backbones. The program has been conceptualized in line with the PM Gati Shakti vision for providing multimodal connectivity infrastructure to various economic zones, encompassing roads, railways, ports, airports, gas pipelines, power networks, telephone, optic fiber lines, etc. This integrated and seamless connectivity will reduce the time and cost of transportation and will facilitate the last mile connectivity. It will make India globally cost competitive and will help in attracting investments into manufacturing sector from across the globe. It will also boost exports by increasing the share of domestic manufactured goods in the global value chains. The program is based on the principle of cooperative federalism with Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas as the mantra. It covers 11 industrial corridors spanning the length and breadth of the country with 32 projects spread over 18 states proposed to be developed in a phased manner. The main focus is on creation of infrastructure ahead of demand, improving logistics, building sustainable and resilient infrastructure to fulfill the objective of Atmanirbhar Bharat. These greenfield industrial smart cities provide plug-and-play infrastructure like water, power, ICT connections and waste collection at the plot level. The master plan of these cities with the detailed engineering of utilities has been carried out with the perspective of next 40 to 50 years and are ICT controlled, operated and can be managed through a central command and control center. Before the land allotment process, these projects are completely de-risked by securing land and obtaining all necessary clearances and approvals, including environment clearances. This has resulted in faster turnaround for industries to set up their manufacturing units. A single window clearance system further ensure ease of doing business to the investors. Sustainable development practices like adoption and promotion of renewable energy sources, state-of-the-art water, sewage and waste treatment plants, etc. make these cities self-sufficient. These cities promote multi-product and multi-sectorial industrial parks with only restriction to industries which are highly polluting in nature. The program is further supported with the state-of-the-art logistics infrastructure provided through multimodal logistics parks. A walk-to-work concept with a secure and safe environment makes these cities a dream come true for many. A holistic approach to development through an integrated city planning will make these cities rank high on the Ease of Living Index. 4 greenfield smart cities have already been developed and the process of land allotment has started. Infrastructure packages worth Rs 9,000 crore have been awarded and are under various stages of completion. Many industries have actually started commercial production and many are in the process of setting up of their factories. Approximately 3,000 acre of developed land for industrial use and 3,000 acre for commercial, residential, institutional purposes is available for immediate allotment. On similar lines, various other projects are underway across the nation.
The authorities are actually reaching out to us in terms of understanding where we stand, what are our requirements, etc. So there is a proactive approach. One is their keenness to approach us, to understand what is our problems and provide solutions through these net-based services. So that is really helping.
So first plan approval was fast, consent to establish was fast and power connection was fast. So I could speed up the construction time.
They have a good administrative system and they are working almost like a corporate.
If we ask something, they need to action immediately. My friend from Korea, from China, from Europe, I always recommend you can make it in India.
These greenfield industrial smart cities will catalyze and transform India and will mark India's rise by enabling India to grow into a global hub for manufacturing.